Movistar Arena is a 17,000-seat multi-purpose indoor arena in Santiago, Chile. It is located inside O'Higgins Park in downtown Santiago. Its main structure was built in 1956. Buyer Peter Hiller opened it on April 15, 2006 as Arena Santiago with a seat capacity of 12,000. Telefónica's cell phone division Movistar bought the stadium's naming rights, changing its name on October 6, 2008, while also expanding its capacity by 5,000 seats. It is one of the largest multi-purpose arenas in South America, with a total surface of 44,000 square meters. An additional 3,000 seats can be placed over the court during concerts, boosting the total capacity to 17,000 seats. As of 2023, Movistar Arena in Chile is the busiest indoor arena in South America, with more than $94.6 million in grosses and 1.58 million tickets sold in the past year. The original building was designed and conceived by Mario Recordon in 1956 with the name, Metropolitan Indoor Stadium, to be the seat of the World Basketball Championship. Arena Santiago was symbolically opened on March 7, 2006 by then-President Ricardo Lagos, and it was inaugurated on April 15 that year by his successor, Michelle Bachelet. On 13 March 2018, Pearl Jam gave a concert to 17,000 people, setting a new attendance record at the venue. On 5 November 2018, Robbie Williams performed on the arena as part of the Heavy Entertainment Show tour. Iron Maiden played their first ever arena show in Chile on 14 October 2019. Europe played in Movistar Arena on September 27, 2019. The arena was the volleyball venue during the 2023 Pan American Games. That is all. Subscribe and post comments for more future videos.